videos. Today, we're making cinnamon sugar pancakes. The ingredients for this recipe are as follows. 2 cups of flour, 2 eggs, 30 grams of butter, 600 milliliters of milk, half a teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon sunflower oil, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Start by sieving 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt into a bowl. In a separate bowl, add 2 eggs and 600 milliliters of milk. Beat it together. After that, add the served ingredients gradually while constantly mixing. Then, add 30 milliliters of melted butter. Mix it in. And then add 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. You can whisk the white vinegar in or beat it in. Once that's done, it needs to set for around 45 minutes to an hour. While that's setting, mix 1 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon in a bowl. Use around a teaspoon of sunflower oil to oil the pan to stop the batter sticking. A flat or low pan is ideal, but this is the only one I've got. Put the heat onto medium-high and add just enough batter to get a thin layer covering the pan. Tip the pan to get the batter spread evenly. Let it cook for around 2 minutes before turning it over and leaving it to cook for around 1 more minute on the other side. It'll start curving very slightly at the edge when it's ready to turn. Once they're done, sprinkle the cinnamon sugar mix across the surface and roll them up. Once that's done, it should be ready to serve and eat.